In the previous video, we installed CACTI and then boosted its performance using the spine polar. Now it's time to make your network monitoring not just powerful but also visually insightful. In this video, we are going to install and configure CACTI Weathermap Plugin, which allows you to create real-time graphical network topology maps showing traffic flow, bandwidth usage, and the link status at a glance. If you haven't installed CACTI or configured the spine polar yet, make sure to check the link above or in the description and complete these steps first. So grab your coffee, open your terminal, and let's bring your network maps to life. First, open the CACTI server terminal, go to CACTI/plugin, and let's download the Weathermap plugin. This is the official CACTI GitHub repo where the plugin is available, and we'll download it from here. We'll use the command, but it looks like Git is not installed in our system. No problem, let's install Git first, and then continue with the plugin download. Now run the command again to download Weathermap from GitHub. And there we go, Weathermap has been downloaded successfully. Now let's manage the ownership and permissions for this directory. But first, let's rename this long directory name to Weathermap. It looks cleaner and easier to manage. After that, we'll set the correct permission. Once this is done, let's open CACTI in a browser and then go to plugin section. As you can see, plugin is listed here and Weathermap is available. Right now it's not installed, so let's go ahead and install the plugin. Just click here and the plugin will be installed in no time. And done, the Weathermap is installed. And you can see it available here at the top menu. And that's it. We have successfully installed the CACTI Weathermap plugin. And now your network monitoring isn't just a powerful, it's virtual, intuitive, and is easy to understand at a glance. If you found this guide helpful, like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.